Alright guys, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can actually get TikTok back after the recent US ban. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so before I start the video, if I open up the App Store from my iPhone and if I search for TikTok here, you'll get to see the TikTok is not available right here. Here it says the TikTok and other ByteDance apps are not available in country or region. Here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix and get back the TikTok. Well, so the very first thing that you have to do, you just need to change the country or region for your App Store. I'm going to open up the App Store from my device and tap on this profile icon at the top right, and then go ahead and tap on your Apple ID at the very top. And from the account settings, you'll get to see the country and region selected with the United States. So I'm going to tap on this one and tap on country or region right over here. And from the list, you just need to select the Australia from here. So I'm going to select the Australia and then agree with the terms and condition. And here you actually have to fill up this information. So for the payment information, I'm going to select none from here and then scroll down and select the building address. And once you're done selecting the building address from here, you can use the similar building address if you want to. And right after that, and then simply go and tap on this next button at the top right. And once you do that, your country and region will change. If I go to the settings again, you'll get to see the country and region has been changed to Australia. Now you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and connect a VPN. Open up the App Store once again, and you just need to go to the search bar of your App Store and then simply go ahead and search for VPN. And once you've searched for VPN, you'll get to see a few different VPNs. So I already installed the second one from the list, and you just need to install the VPN and then simply go ahead and open this up. And once you're here inside the VPN, we just want to connect a VPN to a different server. So let's say I'm going to select the United Kingdoms or Germany, for example. And once it gets connected, I'm just going to get back from here and I'm going to open up the App Store right now. And I'm going to go ahead and search for TikTok right now. I'm going to search for TikTok, and boom, here I'll get to see the TikTok is now available. I'm going to tap on this one and I can install the TikTok on my device. And this is how you actually can fix and get back the TikTok after the US ban. Hope you find this very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.